We've known about Caroline for many, many years, but knowing about her and understanding and having an empathy with her is very different. And she came on the National Museum's horizon in about 2009, when the Defence Management Board at that time said they no longer had a use for Caroline and she was going to be scrapped. And we paid a visit, and then we began to realise what we'd got. And Caroline is absolutely unique. Never before have we seen a ship with so much original materiality from when she was built. Caroline was a bit sad and a bit sorry when we took ownership. She hadn't been dry docked for almost 30 years. She'd had no planned repair and maintenance. Everything was ad hoc. The decks were rotten, paint was peeling off all over the place. And Caroline, of course, is now 102 years old. And she had a story of the Navy and of service and of her location in Belfast that was paramount. And what we found as we started to do the adaptation work is so much more of the original Caroline was there. The mess decks, the shower rooms, the paint samples, the tiles on the floor. All these things painted a rich picture of her original state and one of the most complete vessels of her time. Caroline is a world-class museum and heritage visitor attraction. There is much more of Belfast maritime industrial heritage that can be and should be unlocked by further development.